Have you been in a situation that you are unhappy with a glued part and wanted to redo the part again? And got scared that if you could spoil your hard work, then this video would help you. When I completed the lower parts of this work, I felt uncertain about the top part, which was completed about 3 years ago. I didn't like the wider coils which looked disproportionate. Just take your tweezer, push the quilling to the opposite sides so the glue gets loosened and pluck it away. Never pull it straight, it will damage the background. And then I put another quill piece which will hide away the area, and it is nice and clean that no one would ever find again. This method works same with a freshly glued quilling or with your years old quilling. Have you ever been in a situation to peel off your quilling? Share it in the comments below.